Hi, I'm Zach, I'm from Allsuch Co, and we've been newly instructing this property that I think a lot of first-time buyers, family people, and also investors would love this sort of property. It is a 3-bed, semi-detached house on Manor Way. You have got room to do a double-storey extension on the left-hand side, leaving a small amount of space still with a walkway to the garden in the front. You can look to put a large porch at the front of the property and also go up into the loft. It's a large lounge/dining room space. Unfortunately, a small kitchen, but with the extension you would look to enlarge that. In terms of the bedroom sizes, you've got 2 large double bedrooms with a small single bedroom. But again, with the extension that you would add to it, you would look to not only add the 3rd bedroom slightly bigger, but also add a further extra bedroom on top with a master ensuite and a family bathroom upstairs. Now, it is on for 525. It is on the starting price. It has been on the market for 2 weeks, but we have had some and quite a lot of invested interest, quite a lot of people. So if you are interested and do have any questions or queries regarding this property or any other properties that I do have on the market, please don't hesitate to give me a call on 0208 953 1175 or drop me an email at zach@martinallsuch.co.uk. Thank you for watching this short video. If you'd like to be kept informed with any new properties that come onto the market, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.